Hello and welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Bitcoin is reacting finally in the last 10 days. He initiated his reversal at the beginning of January, and I would say start the new year. So as we can see, we were having a descending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. I honestly didn't expect it to break, but it did. And then now we are watching closely what he's doing. So we can see that he clearly made a 1, 2, and now is attempting to do his third wave. So this is very nice. Now the critical point or pivotal point would be this 21,450, because that was the previous resistance now. So these are our next reference. If he's able to pass this point, we can expect for a higher price. So there isn't much to say. Oops. So here we go. So we did the nice recovery. We kind of exploded, and then now we're going on the side. Now the price market is going on the side again, so it's consolidating. We had a very nice volume, because we didn't have like a nice volume like that for a while. Now you can see the momentum is chilling off, and the RSI, it's still uptrend, so it's following the price action, as we can see. Let me draw a line so it's clear. So you see it's still going higher, so that's nice. It can continue to do so, but you really need to go on the side and rest and catch up and breathe up, but eventually it's going to get exhausted. So we just remember that everything that goes up has to go down. So if we try to do a Fibonacci retracement, just to have an idea, since the beginning of the movement, let's say here, let me zoom in a little bit, maybe it's going to be better. So so the beginning of the movement was here, so we did quite a lot. I did some adjustment on the font, so for you guys it's easier to see. So if this is the third wave, well, we're expecting a fourth wave. Fourth wave, the minimum requirement, it's a 0.236, and then the maximum you can get, it's the 0.5. More than 0.5, well, it's not a wave 4 anymore, or very unlikely. So what else can we say? Let's remember that this movement, it depends how you see things, how you make the reading, but you need to try to stay more off any feelings, because we all would like to have Bitcoin recovering and initiating the bull market and never go lower again, but this is not how it works. So even though we did one movement and up, and then we completed the second wave down, and now we're making a third wave, so we're expecting a fourth, and then going for the fifth. But if we only stop here and then start reversing and making a pullback, and then if it breaks the green box, well, this was not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. It was actually a B, C, and this is like a pullback pattern, if you want. So it means that after that he's not going to go higher, but he actually is going to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so that would bring us to a new lower low. Okay, now I went a little bit too lower, but I would expect to Bitcoin to, actually it's not bad. it would be actually a nice reference, because it's really following this long-term downtrend, and would be a logical place. And actually, I did another line here. It's like from the previous cycle. That's one of a price market support. So I would say we are now in a very important price action level. If we are not busting this resistance, if we do that, it's going to be, I would say now 70% chance that Bitcoin is on the bull market direction, and 30% that we're going to make a new lower low. But until it doesn't break this level, I would say yeah, it's like 70-80% that Bitcoin, it will do a new lower low, because it can also be an A, B, C, and then this is a normal pullback, and then we're going to see unfortunately a 5 legs down up to the new lower low. Also the RSI, it's very oversold. As I said, it can continue like this, but how long can it do it? And then we can see the momentum now, it's reversing. So those are signs that price are getting challenged, and the green candles are not strong anymore, and then you actually see the wicks, and then they're becoming lower and lower, and then not the present candle but the last one, you can see that the price has been pushed, but then has been suppressed, and then they close barely making a green candle. So just be careful, do not FOMO. We need to have a retracement, so let's wait for it. It's actually a nice area maybe to make some investment, and not financial advice. And then if it breaks this box, then it means we're not going to our way forward, and it's something else, and then maybe you want to get out of the market, or short even, I don't know. It's very risky with Bitcoin, so I would be very careful. And so if you find that this video was enjoyable and helped you, please like it, and considering subscribing. Thank you, have a nice day.